Yeah, my YouTube is growing actually pretty. I've actually dedicated myself to posting Monday through Friday. So yesterday I went on like a 5 day streak.
He's
I
locked
posted
in.
yesterday. Yeah, Monday through
He is
Friday.
locked in, and we're live. Wow, I'm alive.
Yeah,
Can you guys hear us? You guys can hear us. Good morning.
good
Did you
morning,
miss
top of the top.
us? I know it's been a long God, it feels like forever since I've traded. It has been almost a full week, which is pretty crazy. I literally sat on my couch yesterday and like had my computer open and I was like, Tanner, lock every single account right now. You are in no state of
Yeah,
mind to even think about looking
yeah.
at a chart and pressing the button for Asia.
Mhm,
I was like, don't do it. I'm in a good
mhm.
spot with all my accounts. I don't want to be stupid. Let's do that. Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome in. Did you guys miss us? I know you missed us.
We missed you.
It's been 5 days. I know you
What
missed
up,
me.
Brian?
I know you missed me.
Top of the
What's
top,
good, Ryan?
big fella. I gotta hit Brian up. We gotta make another move,
Yeah. Why's my camera blurred? There I am.
bro.
Sipping tea. Good morning.
I sent this long, like this option on Robinhood for SMLR,
Yeah, I saw that.
and yeah, I'm up like $1,500
Let's go, baby.
on a this
1,500.
small account too. So I'm at 52. I'm at $5,200, and I started with $1,000 in this.
Locked in. Locked
Yeah.
in. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's go over some charts. Let's go over some stuff. So, what we got? We got a lot going on, dude. I feel like a lifetime has happened since I've traded, especially in the charts. It's how it is always in the markets. But daily, big picture. What do we see? We got just straight bullish consolidation. My
Mhm.
focus today, as I wrote in the game plan in the Discord, is pretty much around the retest of this structure area, 22,200-ish. If we pull back into here and hold, especially from like a 30-minute point of view, right? Somewhere down in here, we already have been, right? If you want to look at these tails back into the retest, 22,250s, 200s-ish. This is bullish break retest. Pretty much want to
Mhm.
see how this ends up holding up. We're holding up VWAPs right now. Everything looks bullish about this for sure. Obviously, that always can change. But we are a stone throw away from all-time highs, which is fucking crazy. Actually crazy. So all-time highs, I think, are 22 450s. Way up here. Wait, let's see.
22 800s,
800.
almost
Okay. We still
900.
got a little ways to go. But it probably won't be there today. But we're not too far. What's actually crazy is on that's at least for futures, for the Qs. Like I'll talk about this a lot. Like I like to look at both charts. For
Mhm.
QQQ, we're literally $3 away. We're at 537 right now. All-time highs are 540.81s. So that's not a lot for the Qs. So we're really not too far. So pretty much game plan today is I want to see how we
So
kind of
I got a
hold.
question.
Yeah, go for it.
How is Q's so close to all-time highs, but NQ has a little ways to go? Shouldn't they damn near mirror each other?
It's a really good question. It has to do with the contract roll. I don't know exactly how it's calculated and how it does it, but that's a really good question. It's like when they do the contract roll, everything kind of shifts up and down. If anyone wants to plug us in the chat with that, that's actually just an answer I personally
Yeah,
don't have.
yeah.
Feel free to chime in on that because it's a good question. Yeah, it has to do with the contract roll. I'm almost 1,000%. And obviously stuff moves in the pre-market that we don't see for Qs, right? The 540 81s, that's only New York data, where maybe we got a big pump overnight from some sort of news event or something in futures. And so that's not showing on Qs themselves. So that's probably what it is. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Taylor. Good morning, Chandra. Good morning, Steve. Good to see you. Josh, top of
What's
the morning,
up,
fam. Oscar
Taylor?
jealous got 10 hours of sleep. Yeah, dude, I needed that though, but I had 3 days of like 4 hours of sleep. So my body was like fucked. Dude, it was pretty
Hey.
sick. So
Yeah,
my
give us the scoop, bro. Like,
yeah, I'll
what?
give you
Come
guys
on,
a
like
scoop. Okay,
you just
okay,
gotta
we'll do a quick
leave for several
Vegas
days.
rundown because so real quick also Pal comes on at 10 a.m. I'm probably gonna be patient until then. I'm not gonna really be like aggressive right now or anything. I am gonna copy trade all my accounts though, because I'm not a pussy. Come on. So Let me link all these, enable a trade copier. So when we do get rocking and rolling, we'll be good to go. All right. So let me give you the Vegas scoop, kind of what happened. It was fun, 3 days of partying. It was a lot. I was just talking with Lawrence about this. I'm really extreme where I'm like, go super ham or I'm a monk. Like I'm not, it's one or the other kind of, but my brain also and body is like, it gets really excited to do one of those things, and then like that's it. Like now I'm in like monk mode. I'm like, oh, so give me away from any no drinking, no nothing. Like give me away from all that, dude. Like I want meditation. I want to go to a retreat in the mountains now. Like that's like how I'm
Retreat in the mountains.
But yeah, basically, we went to Tao for dinner on Thursday. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Tao in Vegas, but Tao actually, it is a nightclub and a day club, but it's also a restaurant. It's actually how it started. It's a restaurant. So really, really good Asian food, like super good Asian food. So we did that Thursday. I ended up going to like some like random dubstep show, I think Thursday night, just like on a whim. And then Friday, laid up by the pool for like 5 hours. I met Anthony. I don't know if like if you've seen Anthony or me talk about him. He came to our marketing group one time, but the homie Anthony lives out in Vegas. He used to work for Gary Vee. So connected with him, ended up partying with him for a bit, super fun. And then Friday night, went out to dinner and we went to see Kaiwachi. So anyone in the chat, any dubstep fans saw Kaiwachi, it was super sick. And then Saturday was like the marathon day. Ended up going to Tao Day Club, saw Alesso, got a table. Super funny. My buddy came and his wife like works in the industry. And I asked him, I was like, is Tara gonna come surprise us? He's like, no. She's busy. And then all of a sudden, we're literally at our table, and he goes, "Hey, look backstage up there next to Alesso," and it's literally her up there. Where'd you go, bro? You disappeared. So anyways, it's literally her backstage up there, and all of a sudden, all of us are like, "Yo, what the fuck? That's crazy. That's crazy." And then she ends up coming to our table. And she's like, surprised, like I'm taking you guys to see Clooney tonight, and we're like going backstage and walking in with him. So like ended up walking like backstage, and I walked in with the DJ. I've never done that. Like literally backstage, like I'm in the green room with Clooney, and we like literally walk backstage and like walk in with him. And I was just like, dude, this is fucking crazy. And then we just stayed up super late, and I just gambled the rest of my $800 that I had left and lost it.
So what's backstage like?
Dude, it's fucking nuts. It's like, I don't know, just right there with the DJ, and like the people that pay for those tables, it's like 80 grand for a table or like some ridiculous amount of money, but it was just sick. She just like hooked us up and like got us in. So we ended up just cruising and doing it. And I finally go to play. I play some craps at the very end of that at like 3 a.m. And I'm betting like, a couple $100, nothing crazy. This guy's on the table with us, and I had to like blink. I'm like, I'm not that fucked up. I'm like, I look, this guy had like 60 grand on the pass line when he was betting at a time. And I'm like playing craps, and I'm like, yo, what the fuck? I've never even seen this. This is crazy. And he's just betting insane amounts of money on like mainly just like don't pass and like the pass line, but like no like hard ways or anything. So it was just really interesting, like seeing someone like bet like that with that type of money. So
I aspire to get there.
Yeah, exactly. Me too. So
I gotta take my degeneracy to the next fucking level. I need to step my fucking game up, bro.
Yeah, I know, dude. That's my. I'm like, I want to go to Vegas and just throw down 50K, like playing craps and whatever it is. Like that would be fucking fun. So, but yeah, that's the Vegas story. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As you can tell, I'm still kind of cacked, but we're getting through it. Not really a lot going on right now. Well, it's the perfect time to tell this story because, as you can see, we've really literally moved like fucking 20 points in the past 10 minutes. So, not really doing much. Still holding on to VWAP. I do like a lot of these tails. This is pretty bullish. A lot of these tails. So, but again, we got the and I'm just chilling right now. Kind of just waiting. Kind of just watching what's going on in the chat. Can still hear a bit of Vegas left in your voice. Yeah, I know. It's I'm drinking tea right now because of it. I need it.
I hear Vegas left in your voice.
Tea for the tea, baby.
Tea for Tanner. Tea for Trader.
Tea for Trader.
Teeth of B, strong trader.
Yeah, Fit Trader. Good morning, Jesse. What's good? What's going on, guys?
So I kind of made a list. I made a list for people that we can invite on.
Oh yeah, you want to get some people on the live stream?
Hell yeah! So everybody can meet them. And I also want to do a thing where we've set something up to qualify our viewers to have an opportunity to hop on here and trade live with us.
Oh, that'd be sick. I like that. What do you guys think about that in the chat?
Yeah. Like, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. We got to figure something out to kind of like qualify that situation. Or we could do like that little turtle race thing that you do, pick somebody up random.
The duck race. The duck race is pretty fun.
Race, yeah,
yeah, we could. The turtle race, yeah.
Yeah,
we could. The only issue about that is that's completely random. So I just wouldn't want to give the chat of someone that's like, I don't know, like not like super new. I guess we could walk them through it. We could totally do it. I mean, it's like,
that'd be cool.
Yeah,
you know, a new trader. That'd be dope.
Yeah, we could do that. We could do something like that. Absolutely. What do you think, chat? What's going on? What's good? Pretty slow action right now. We're just waiting. Like I said, we got Pal. Give us some love. Lawrence, you got to hit the you got feedback on your mic.
Oh, do I?
No, you just hear my voice when I'm talking. I don't need to hear my yappy ass voice. You're gonna hate me. I kind of want to go long RTY right now.
Don't do it.
You're gonna hate it. Shit.
All right, it's better.
I'm doing it.
Order filled.
You're gonna hate it, but I'm doing it.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Is this better?
Yes.
Order filled.
I'm long RTY. Stop at the lows here.
I don't like this.
I like it. It's reclaiming VWAP. I think it's a good reclaim of VWAP. I like it.
Darius, a future day trader, said they would do it. And does Top One have their one trading platform similar to Top Step? Yes, they do. It's called Project X. You can actually go to projectx.com and then go to log in, and then it'll show you all of the prop firms that actually offer Project X.
Yeah,
I think it's about 10 of them, or maybe a little bit more. It's a lot of prop firms switching over there.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, Project X is much my favorite, dude. And it's just like
it is my favorite.
It's just the
TradeSync need to hurry the fuck up, bro, because they told me end of Q2, and this fucking June is closing in.
I know they're really slacking, dude. I like this bar a lot. I don't like how much risk I have on this trade, to be honest, but I like this setup overall.
What you got, 700?
Yeah, 780.
Pretty aggressive there, buddy.
It is pretty aggressive, fresh off Vegas,
there, buddy.
Hey, but Vegas. You know, I like the setup. I like this gap and go potential actually on RTY here. Yeah, I'm gonna let this trade and see what happens.
Cap Trader said RTY has the worst price action.
It does. It does. It's pretty bad. You have to be.
You guys haven't noticed, or if you weren't here to hear me say this, Tanner likes a challenge. So this dude can really rip in. Like, I really want to see you trade ES because I know that you would do so well. I know, like, if you really sat here and traded ES, you would probably make money hand over fist. But Tanner like challenges, so he's going to go ahead and trade RTY, some challenging shit.
You know, I gotta make it tough.
That's a nice little tweezer. Those are nice little tweezers.
That's why do you think I like it? I was like, dude, I like this tweezer. Reclaiming VWAP right here. I'm like, it's pretty bullish. I'm not against it. I'm really not against it here.
Is it 780 bullish? I don't know, but it is bullish.
Yeah, you're right. Is it 780 bullish? I don't know. It is pretty aggressive on the risk here. I wanted to see it reclaim this VWAP and have it be more aggressive and really push. That's the problem. It's not really doing that right now, unfortunately.
Brian said he's going long too, bro.
Okay.
Oh, yes. 61.275. Stop loss of 61.13. Targeting 61.38. Still about 11 points, 10 and
I
a
might
half
need to use more
points.
microstructure on this, dude. I think this is too aggressive. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this up actually to here, 640. So I at least have one more attempt if I'm wrong, potentially. But if we can
Let's
fully
see what
reclaim this
ES is
here.
talking about.
Let's see what we can do here. Pull neck
I
to
can't
VWAP
say
on IWM.
I can't really say I'm convicted right now, but I mean I understand like this is a decent long for
Mhm.
this would be a decent it's just I'm not convinced
It just
just
kind
yet
of I
personally.
feel like we're waiting for Powell, and this is kind of slow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's not
you
a
know,
bad long. Like I'm really
it's
looking at
not
it.
like I'm like
It's
I have too much risk on, dude. So it's like I actually am like, I'll probably if we don't instantly start going here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a stop actually. This is what I'm gonna do.
why don't you size scale out one and then enter back in once you get more confirmation and just enter right back in.
Yeah, I think you're right. Let's see how
Yeah,
this
just scale out.
see how this candle holds right here. Let's see if this candle closes, holds. Because look at this 5-minute right now. Look at this.
Yeah, it's gonna probably reclaim that wick.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
like, it's a nice, it's a good potential. But if we don't here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do stop sell 1 here. So if it comes down, it's gonna stop me 1.
Yeah, I think that's a
And
good
then
plan
and
right
then
there.
I'll leave the other one at the low. That's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
I think that's good.
I approve of that message.
Yeah. I think that's fair.
I do see like I kind of see my entry model here, but it's like I don't like
It's
I
just
don't
slow,
like
dude.
it.
Yeah, this action fucking sucks. Honestly, the market's for sure waiting on news right now. That's what I don't like. It's way
I
too
don't like
slow.
it.
It's yeah, dude. I might just cut all this up.
Tanner trade the big boy. The big boys, the minis.
Yeah, on RTY, I like to trade
RTY
them.
don't have micros, do they?
Yeah, it's called M2K. They do.
Oh,
Hmm.
no, you're just savage this morning.
I know. I kind of just went too aggressive right away. Might end up fucking me, but we'll see. We shall see, my friend. Not my favorite so far. I mean, everything else is pushing up. It's just like RTY just sucks.
It does.
Let's see what happens.
It's like this is a good long, but I can't take it, chat. I can't take it. I just
Yeah,
don't like. I don't like the. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like this is the
yeah,
intuitive
yeah.
trading that, like, due to screen time and experience, something is just like you. Even though the entry is there and it might go, it might work right now. Something is just not sitting well with me.
Yeah, I don't disrespect that, bro. I mean, intuitive trading is a real thing. And it's like when the action is just like not really doing much, you're like, something's up. Something's up. Something's
Yeah,
up. Like I feel like this is just gonna slowly die.
he says shit's fucky.
Shit is fucky, dude. Shit's fucky right now, bro.
It's so funny because I've never heard that, but I know exactly what that means, and that was
Yeah,
spot on. Shit is fucky, bro. That
yeah,
shit is fucky, bro.
yeah.
It really is.
Let's see what happens here, dog.
Lisa, I'm with you there, Lawrence. Yeah, I'm telling you, it don't sit well with me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit here and drink my tea.
I think what's gonna happen is we're just gonna slowly fuck around here, and then Powell's gonna come on, and we're all gonna find out. I'm just
How
gonna
long
say
will Powell be
I'm gonna
speaking for today? I don't know how long, but he does start speaking at
yeah.
10.
I'm about to cut this dude just early. I don't give a fuck. I'm over this. This
Fuck
is
it.
this is a
Preserve
terrible.
your mental capital.
This was a terrible trade. Actually, it wasn't a terrible trade, I would say, because I did like the reclaim initially, but then that's what happens. The candle didn't close and it fucked me. So, but I'm gonna let it stop me before I fucking get out early. It's just what I'm gonna do. It just is what it is. Something in the milk ain't clean. Lisa.
You said what?
The comment. Lisa,
Something in the milk ain't clean. I don't get it.
They're just
What,
like,
what, it- what does that
something's
mean?
up. Something's
Order.
up.
I've
Yeah,
never
you're
heard that
fucked,
before.
dude. All right, now I'm gonna sit on my fucking hands and wait. We're
I
just
want
gonna
to go
chill.
short.
I mean,
I want to short the whole thing.
I'm just gonna just wait now, dude. I'm already down
I
500.
want to short, but I'm not going to do it. But it looks good.
Yeah, damn. RTY just slowly bled there and died. That was whack. Ended up putting in such a nice inverted hammer against VWAP. That was so whack. Yeah, something's up with PA for sure. This is so slow.
Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm also I'm very well prepared with not taking a trade today. I'm cool with not trading today.
That's fair too. That is fair. Really like that RTY tweezer, dude. That was whack that they did that. They're probably gonna hold this low, I bet now. Some stupid shit.
Yeah, that's just retarded.
What you got? What you looking at? You need to switch screen.
I'm not, nothing's going on with me. We can switch screens definitely, but let's see.
Just cruising, waiting. What a slow open, dude. This is really slow.
Yeah, it is.
Why is it so slow?
Yeah, this is all I'm looking at. There's literally nothing for me here. Look at this price action.
You got no overnight on?
I like the short, huh? No, I
You
didn't.
got no overnight on.
I didn't put it on. Well, I took it off. I do it when I market, like these two white lines up here. That's London highs and lows. So I do what I market, but then I take it off because they can distract me sometimes. A lot of times I don't like, unless it's a profit target or a stop loss, I don't like including overnight action into New York sessions data. It's distracting to me.
It's fair. Fair enough. Yeah, this is just fucking. I mean, it's been
real fucky.
Real fucky, dude. This is real fucky. 80-point range since the open. Not much at all, if anything. I could definitely see some fuckery gonna happen. That's for sure.
Yep.
It's not a lot, dude. A whole lot of nothing.
I was about to take this short, but I was like, no.
Yeah.
It's just I have trust issues today.
Just today.
It's a little bit. It's a little bit more today.
Yeah,
it's a little bit more today. So, what is the wildest thing you did on your trip? Don't hold back. For the world.
I don't know. I think just like being able to like randomly meet a DJ and then walk in with him through the green room. I'm like, I've never done something like that before. It's fucking. It was just one of those scenarios where you're like, oh, what? Like, this is how they do it. Like, we walked through the kitchen of Live, of Club Live, and like literally like walked in with the DJ. And at one point, I had to go to the bathroom. Security guard he remembered me, and I came back, and he's like, "Where's your like?" Wait, were you in here? And I was like, yeah, like the other guy remembers me. He's like, oh yeah, he's with Clooney. He's with the DJ. And I'm like, yeah, I am. And so that was like kind of cool, just like experiencing that.
You gotta let your nuts hang a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am.
Yep. Oh, Twitter streams now. Yes, sir. On the Twitter.
Yes, sir.
He is there. He is there. He is there.
He is there.
Damn right.
Oh, man. What's going on here? Somebody tell me what to do, bro.
We're just waiting, dude. I think the whole market's just chilling. The whole
somebody tell me something. Somebody pick a direction. I'm going.
I mean, you can.
Doesn't matter. Pick a direction.
Fireworks will happen with Powell soon. I wish I wasn't down 500, but that was me being stupid.
2,200. Where do you live?
On the military time.
Yeah, that is military time. That is military time.
Yeah.
I'll go
Dude,
back to the military. No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. I wouldn't. I
why
wouldn't.
wouldn't you?
I'd rather. Huh?
You wouldn't go back?
No. No. Fuck no.
Are you grateful
It's a
you're
lifestyle, bro. It's not, it's a lifestyle. Like, did you know we get in trouble? Well, I can't say we no more, but I used to get in trouble for wearing certain clothes during my off hours. So if I'm walking through the mall and a
yeah.
higher up is just walking through the mall too, and they see me with a blue shirt on, I can get in
Uh-huh.
trouble.
Damn.
Like, I'm off the clock, bro. Why are you
Yeah.
worried about, like, come on.
Yeah. Yeah. I
I
mean,
like ink you to
they
put you on.
they hold you to a standard, bro.
What is a blue shirt going to do on my off time, Tanner? A blue shirt?
Keeping you sharp. Keeping you sharp.
Keeping me sharp.
That's what they do. Wow, this is watching paint dry here, ladies and gentlemen. What a good time just to sip my fucking tea and wait.
Military is for people that never got yelled at as a kid. I don't know, bro. My mom was pretty. I don't know, Oscar. I don't know if you've heard about black parents, bro, but
Mom whip you into shape,
I
bro.
don't know, Oscar. I don't know. I don't know, brother. I don't know.
Let's see.
They said he liked the long for NQ.
I just don't think anything. I think what's gonna happen. I think like about 10 minutes after Pal speaks, maybe we get an impulse move right when he comes on, and then that sets our setup. I think something like that would be nice.
I like this little curve. Oh shit! Then let me do it. This little curve. How do you do it? I like this little curve here. The bending of the trending.
The bending of the trending. Yeah, I mean, structure wise, it looks
curve
bullish.
there. Look at that pop. Look at that pop.
That's low liquidity right there, is what that is, bro. That is low liquidity.
What's low liquidity?
It's just like when there's no participants. So this is how futures move overnight, especially like when there's little to no contracts being exchanged or participants. That small amount of movement when they are executed moves the market like a lot.
Yeah,
because there's like the buying and sell wise, like it has to be transacted, right? So like when there's really low liquidity in normal hours, you're going to see those random spikes a lot because it's just like a low amount of volume being traded and a low amount of contracts being moved overall. So you see a lot of those like impulse kind of spikes and shit.
So basically you're saying because that was a baby spike.
Yeah, I mean, it's just like it could mean something, it could mean nothing. It's just like what it is telling you is that price doesn't have enough participants in it right now. I think that's a good way to put it.
Okay, Carmine.
Yeah. There
nice
you
little
go.
Carmine. Nice little Carmine Rosado approach.
Yep. We got 2 minutes, ladies and gents. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Yeah, I don't like what's going on here.
It's just a whole lot of nothing, dude.
It is. It is. I'm glad to have you back. I was a little lonely.
I know it's been a long 5 days. I apologize.
I don't have any friends, bro.
I don't got no friends, bro. I got no one. Yeah, we'll be back in action. We'll be going ham, especially once I get mentally back fully in it. Take me a few days, but
Trump is beefing with the feds and Powell. So I've heard.
Trump loves to beef, bro.
He does. He does. I don't know too many people who actually wants to have beef with Trump though. That's the gangster. That's the gangster part about it.
Yeah.
That's the gangster part about it. I don't know too many people who's just like, okay, Trump got beef with me. I got beef with Trump. I might go for this long right here.
Not against it. I like it in the view up here.
I'm gonna see it get a little bit more momentum.
Yeah. I don't know, dude. I'm just gonna wait. It might just be a day for me where I'm either just call it early or
I'm gonna wait a second.
At least we have something. At least we have something coming up. We got Powell coming on, so I think the algos will algo, and we'll be like, oh,
Yeah, pretty much.
Price just stopped me out with huge slippage. Daily lost some hit. Damn. Sorry, brother. I wonder why that happened. Slippage.
Look at that flicker. Look at that flicker.
Yeah. See, we're tripping, dude. We're tripping. The algos are algoing.
My long is good right now.
The algos
I'm not
are
gonna go
algoing.
for it. I gotta wait for this to calm down.
Yeah.
Somebody jump in.
Someone do something fun.
Somebody do something fun, exactly.
Back into 300 here. I mean, Price is holding VWAP, that's for sure.
I'm very interested in this long. I just need a little bit more.
Ooh, I like this RTY long now. You're gonna hate that.
I might go for it here.
Okay.
I'm gonna wait, but I'm eyeballing it. I'm playing it close, bro. I'm walking them down. Playing them close.
Let's see. I'm gonna wait.
He said he's in.
I'm gonna be patient, bro.
I like that.
Yep.
I like that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like that. I needed to calm down, but I do like that. I want to enter right now. I like it.
Wait too long, you're gonna miss it.
I know. But I need more. I need a little bit more. This is wilding right now. Yeah. I just need a little bit more. I needed to settle the dust. I need the dust to settle a little bit.
I know. And I wonder if it's gonna do something funky.
Exactly.
I feel like it wants to sweep all the liquidity here on the 5-minute, bro. At the bottom.
Let me see.
Like down into. Well, you can't see it because pre-market turned on, but
there we go.
Like all these tails, all those tails, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I could see it sweeping down like into right below 250s, then holding, then taking the rip. That'd be more.
Yeah,
that would be sick.
That would make sense. That makes sense.
Just still not giving me enough.
Look at all these wicks though. Like that's not something that's like. Look at all this shit.
I know.
All that.
I know.
Look at all this. Chat. Look at this. Look at all these. Wicks.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Look at all this.
There's liquidity everywhere.
Everybody's confused.
If we come down and sweep 250s and then get some sort of bullish bar to come reclaim 250s, I'm going for that long.
I'm taking that.
Because RTY now is bullish engulfing on the 5. It looks really good. I think the RTY is going to work now. But I'm not touching RTY. I already got burned on it.
On a 15-minute.
Give us
the more wicks, the more chop, the more all that indecision, the higher you want to go. Like, look at this. This is still look at this shit.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I might call it today. This doesn't look good, man.
It's not a lot to work with, dude. It's not.
I
know this 15 is this 15 is a lot going on, dude. There's a lot of tails, a lot of wicks.
Ooh, this could be a nice little short.
I got no clarity here. I'm waiting still.
This could be a sexy short.
Powell's going to speak and wicks are going to go in both directions. Yeah, I mean, potentially good. Absolutely. Absolutely.
I'm waiting.
That's so crazy, Brian. You got slipped out. Was that on Tradeovate that happened? I think it was. Price just stopped me out. Huge slippage, daily loss limit hit. Didn't even come close to my stop loss. I wonder if that was on Tradeovate because he trades with Tradeify. Dude, this is just.
I mean, I want to go for
do something. Do something.
I want to go for the long here, bro, but it's just
I was on Tradeovate. That's crazy. I would look up the executions and I would email I would email
Such
Tradeify
horrid.
support and see what they say and be like, "What's up with this?" Because maybe they had some outage thing or some shit.
This is just horrid.
This is pretty horrid, is right.
Oh, I think I'm gonna go for the long here.
It's not bad. I kind of like YM.
I'm here. Real,
Are you in
real
there like
slight,
somewhere?
real slight. I'm going for 2R.
Just
Real slight.
so slow, dude. Just so slow.
Just 2 micros. I just want to get my feet wet, and once I get more confirmation, I'll add to it.
Can Powell just say something? I don't like how slow this is, dude. I just feel like something's up. I feel like we're still waiting for some sort of actual big ass move.
I probably.
It just seems too
Probably.
sus. Seems really sus.
I understand. I might get stopped out here, but it's only 116.
Yeah, small risk. So we love the small risk, high reward.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of like YM.
This
here,
is
dude.
horrible. Hey, this is horrible.
This is real. This
I'm
is
not
real.
gonna lie to you guys. I probably shouldn't even have got into this. This is so bad.
Yeah. I'm trying a small long on YM right now. Keep him a stop at the low. This 5-minute bar. Risking
is
100,
horrid.
150. Do something, dude. Like, come on, bro. This is fucking ridiculous.
This is horrid.
Yeah, this is bullshit, bro.
Oof. This is horrid. This is one of them things that's just gonna play with your emotions on the way up or on the way down.
Yeah. This is fucking stupid, dude.
Yeah, this is a bit much.
Nothing we can do
So
but wait. Like, literally nothing you can
yeah,
do but just wait, I think.
for sure.
Unfortunately, there's literally nothing you can do but wait.
Sure. You are so right about that. So I'm going to start marking up my charts while I wait for everything to play out.
There's just nothing to do.
For everything to play out. Looks like I'm about to get cooked, you guys.
Poke it and see if it moves. Literally. Do something, dude. This is fucking ridiculous, bro.
Mm.
Okay, there it goes. A little something. A little something.
Damn.
There it is. There it is. Okay, it started getting warmed up here. All right.
Shit. What is this?
Something. Finally. Some movement.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, dude.
How much was that? Like negative 130? 116? 116. Okay. Cool.
Are those tails gonna tail? Is the question.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of looking like it.
Boom, boom, doom, 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 doom.
Wow. What a boring day. What a fucking
Such a
boring day.
boring day.
This is real trading for you, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes it literally just be like this.
It'd be like that.
It sometimes literally just be like this, dude. Damn, this YM looks good.
Okay, take a picture of that. That was a nice little loss.
I'm long YM. Give us something to work with. Give us something to work with.
Show me something good. I'm going to a higher time frame. It's just probably going to reclaim this wick right here. Go lower day. Probably hit them London lows like you were talking about, then turn around.
Or it holds on this spike. That could have been the low there, that spike, honestly. See if we get a turnaround here. Okay. 338. Oh, wow.
This is horrid.
Pretty horrid, bro.
I think I might call it. What you guys think? I really want to go short. I'm not going to lie to you.
I'm long.
But I don't know. I want to go short. Could I take a stab at it?
I think you should. I think you should just wait if you don't have clarity. I'm the aggressive. I'm the aggressive stupid one today. So
I'm going for it. I'm short.
Still holding VWAP, bro.
You said still hold on. Okay. And this is $100. And if I get stopped out here, I'm just done for the day for $230.
Can this do something, please?
Oscar said no, go long. Sometimes I gotta learn my lesson, Oscar.
I need YM to reclaim VWAP here is what I need. That's what I want.
Sometimes I gotta learn my lesson, bro.
God, this is just awful. This is so awful.
Yeah, I don't even know why I'm trading in this. Yeah, this is gonna be my last one, regardless of what happens here.
I don't blame you.
Yeah, regardless of what happens here, I might be down $200 on the day, and that's fine. You guys are completely right. I agree with all of you.
I don't blame you.
Mm,
No
yeah.
clear direction, no trade. Yep. It just be like
Yeah.
that sometimes.
I agree. I agree.
Something to work with here. Something to work with.
I agree fully.
They're gonna do some trickery. What are we trading Asia session right now? This is crazy, bro. This action is literally dog shit. I'm about to go back to bed.
Oh my god. Bro, so
I'm literally about to go back to
we're
bed, bro.
trading Asia right now, bro. What is this
It's
bullshit?
crazy.
What is this? Oh man, that's hilarious.
I'm just gonna fucking just sit back.
Facts. This is it right here.
Literally, when you whip out
This
the,
is
I don't even know
literally
I'm
it
in
right
this
here.
right now. We
I'm
all been
probably
there.
just gonna
Literally,
cut
dude.
this shit, bro. I'm about to cut this shit and go
Literally,
home.
dude. Oh
I'm
my
good.
god. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
that's
Literally.
hilarious.
Oh my god.
That's funny as fuck.
I forgot you're short on this, huh?
Yeah, like an asshole. It's all good.
This is just fucking ridiculous, bro. I mean, just from like my technical edge perspective, we've been holding VWAP the whole time on NQ. Like we've never closed below it. So that's when I like to say objective and just feel like that still tells me this is long. It might be really slow, but like it's still telling me long. Like I'm not gonna lie. But it just
yeah, I'm about to guess
hard when there's like little to no follow through.
Yeah, it's over here. I'm about to get stomped out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and lock my accounts. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.
And you guys can just sit with me and that's it. You can just sit with me.
Sit with me.
You can sit with me, bro.
That's hilarious. Just sit with Tanner.
Yeah. Hmm. 100s. Oh, okay.
All right, cool. I'm stopped out. Perfect. See you guys tomorrow. I'm good. I'm good.
Wow.
Let me see. This is horrid.
This is really slow. It's reclaiming though.
This is actually my entry model right here, but fuck it.
Yeah, now this long looks good. The right corner right after you're like, I'm done.
It does. Tommy said lockout. I'm only down $200.
I know.
I'm only down 200. What do you think, Tanner?
I'm long, so do whatever you want. I think you could set the good example and lock out, and I could be the retard today and hold it too long. So,
if it retests, I'll go for the long.
Okay. If we retest 22,300 and hold, yeah.
Yeah. If we retest 22,300s, I'll go for the long.
Yeah, I fuck with that. I do fuck with that.
In the meantime, can you all give advice on growing a new funded account with micros? Yeah, well, for me, the way that I grow my funded accounts, like if they're new, I only trade like 2 to 3 micros. Well, I'm a little bit more aggressive. Like I can do 3, like 3 to 5, but if you're still not like if you don't know your system like the back of your hand, like every statistical part of your system, do like 2 micros. The highest I would go to is like 2 to 4, and then just do like a slow grind. Don't take any payouts. Just do like a slow grind for like a good 30 days, even if you're eligible. That's what I do personally. I just size down crazy, 2 to 4 micros, and then just grind for like 30 trading days. Get that buffer in, and then start taking 10%.
I fuck with it.
That's what I do.
I fuck with it. I like this this action a little bit more now, but still not a lot of conviction, to be honest. Not a lot of conviction.
Mm-hmm.
I just need like a really solid push up, bro. To finally be like, okay, we're starting to grind out of this. I think it's actually looking more decent. That's what I think. I'll show you guys what I'm
Jesse, he said I'm up 250 on a day, might lock out here. You definitely should lock out here.
yeah.
You should definitely lock out here. Like there is no this is horrible action. You're green and you have all of the week. Why wouldn't you lock out here?
Take it.
I think you should. And if you, besides Jesse, if you don't log out, I'm going to scold you on our next session. I'm literally going to scold you.
All right, here we go. I'm long. This will hit my max loss if for some reason it pulls all the way back down to 100s, but we're cruising right now. What I love about this is all the support, big impulse sweep, reclaim. I love this setup right here. This is fucking nice. I feel like we can come back up towards here and even maybe back up towards towards this liquidity. Because now it's looking good. It just took some patience, but it's looking way more decent now. We are pushing right into DIA VWAP as we speak. So hopefully don't get rejected here and come back down here. That would be unfortunate, but it's, I gotta let it trade. I gotta let this trade.
Definitely gotta let it trade.
But I like this this chart overall. It's really decent. Really, really decent. Let's see, chat. Let's see, fam. Don't reject 200. Don't reject 200. I know YM's personality, and this is one where I literally I take these hands and I just go like this. And go, okay. Don't touch it.
And back up. Back away.
Back up.
Back away from the computer.
Back away from the computer. Don't even think about it. Don't even do nothing on it. Let it start to do
away from the computer, sir.
Yep.
Step away from the computer.
Yep, yep. What else we got to work with here? 171. If we get back through this 200, it's kind of looking nice.
I'm gonna set myself up for a long.
Did you lock out?
I'm waiting. No.
Ooh.
The degenerate enemy is leaking.
It's a good day. It's good.
Leaking.
The thing is, there's always a lesson every day. And you got to look at trading like that. Like literally, there's a lesson every single day. What was the lesson today? Just be fucking patient. Like and I know that's what you always hear in trading, be patient. But it's like, when you are really realizing that price is just not doing what it's supposed to, like that's when I like to say objective with stuff. I'm like, all right, objectively speaking, what are we doing? Okay, well, we're closing above VWAP or we're holding this level. Yeah, it's slow and it's not really doing what I want, but like, what is price doing here? I'm like, okay, well, it's holding this or it's doing this. Like, okay, well, then from here, what happens? Let's see. So that's all you can do. Is just stay objective. Stay objective.
That's it.
Stay objective, my friend. Cruising.
All we can do.
Give us the push. 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 We want to see that push. Yeah, give us the push.
Let's go.
Come on, give me a little bit more. Let's cycle through all these time frames and look more. Okay, so I like this. See, look at these tails and wicks. But if we reclaim this, I think we're going for the gold here. All the way. Because now this 30-minute ham ski is shaping up real nice.
Mm-hmm.
Real nice ham skis here with the hourly. Real nice ham skis, dude. Really nice ham skis here. Dude, RTY is such a bitch, bro. Look at this thing. Look what it did. Look at this. First of all, look at this hourly engulfing number one.
Yeah.
Fucking nice. Look how it literally put me in the cuck chair right here.
Not the cuck chair.
And it literally rejected where I got long in the reclaim of VWAP, came down, bullshit engulfing handle. Now it's going. Now you want to go. Ridiculous, bro.
I'm long.
All right, he's long.
I'm going for it.
Going for it. I like it. Now I think I fuck with it. I think I don't think it's a bad long.
I don't think so either.
I think
it's high probability.
Yeah, I would. It's just the probabilities, bro. It's just the probabilities.
It's high probability.
Probabilities. Yep, exactly.
That's all I care about.
Yep.
Everything else, I can lose now. This is a good trade. I can lose now. I'm fine. And this is my final trade as well, so it's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna let this fully play. Keep going.
Definitely lose now in peace. Before I couldn't lose in peace, bro, because it just didn't sit well. Yeah. Now I can lose in peace.
Mm-hmm. What are we going to aim if we break this? We're going to aim for 380, 378s.
Okay. Marking up my charts.
This is pretty nice. Need a final push and Oscar's out. A lot of support. I hope you get the push.
Yeah,
I hope we all get the push.
Lisa.
Honestly, 383. That's what we got on my chart. 383. Where is this on the daily? This one I'm looking for. Daily targets. All the way up here. Wow, this is in the 500s here. That's pretty crazy.
I need you guys to push, though. That's the thing. I need you to push.
I shot the sheriff.
Shot the deputy. It's about to stop me out.
No. Did it really stop you out?
Hell yeah. I'm done for the day.
Shit, dog.
How much did I lose? $445, bro.
I'm pretty driver's seated still, so I'm just gonna let it play out. I'm not gonna stress the pullback. Damn, your stop was too tight, dog.
No, it wasn't. It was perfect.
Really? I mean, structurally speaking, where would like
it was perfect. It was according to my plan. I mean, I don't know what else.
Fair enough. Justin says lock game. Let's see it. Lock it out.
Yeah. I'm about to lock it out. Hold on.
Throw it on the stage. Lock out, gang.
Let's see it. I'm locking out right now.
Let's see it. Put it on stage. Lock it out.
I'm locking it out.
Lock it live.
9
out of Asia.
27 a.m. You see this 22 hours. Lock me out. Boom. There you go.
Boom. Give us some locks in the chat. That's what we want. Locks in the chat.
And that's a good loss too, because I've been on this is my first red day in like a week.
That's solid, bro.
Yeah.
It's a solid little loss to take. Nothing too crazy. I respect it. Absolutely. Really just struggle busting here. Locks in the chat. I love it. Steve with the lock. Fit trader with the lock.
Everybody got W's? Everybody locking up. Everybody got W's?
Lockout boys.
Am I the only one?
We're just waiting, dude. I'm just fucking sitting here doing a whole lot of nothing. I'm gonna let it trade. I'm gonna take over while Lauren. Look at Lauren's annotating. What a good man. What a good soul.
I'm trying to be the man my mom wants me to be.
There you go, dude. That's respect.
Yeah, man.
That's respect.
I thought this was like the sweep right here. And I thought we would clear takeoff after that.
I just think it needs a bit more fuckery. Really interesting price action, to say the least. I'm gonna remove you. I'm gonna add me because we're still driving, baby. We're still driving. It may not be a fucking Ferrari right now. We're cruising in the Rolla, but it's going.
Not the Rolla, bro.
It's well, with this price action, this is Corolla price action, bro. It's getting you from where you need to be, point A to point B, but it's not doing it fast and cool. But
to hit the Rolla,
you know, it is doing what it needs to do. It's just not doing it fun or fast or cool. I'd love to see some crazy fucking rip in price.
Anything.
Something, dude. Something. Throw me a bone here.
So let me go ahead and screenshot this and show the world my loss on Instagram.
Good man. Respect.
Everybody can tell me how bad I suck.
How did you
lose? Know, so crazy,
bro? It was so easy. Austin's gonna text you, like, bro, why'd you go short? What's wrong with you?
Negative R multiple, bro. Negative R multiple.
I had my stop at yesterday's low. It was easy.
How did you? Come on, bro. What are you doing?
Oh wow!
How did you fuck that up?
Good long. Thank you, Fran. Much love. Just letting it long.
Just letting it long.
Letting the long. It's 30-minute bar closed. Not pretty good. And now we should engulf this. So ideally, got some 4-hour wicks to work with here. 336. We got tons of wicks up here, all the way up to 500s. A lot of room, if it really goes. A lot of room. Just letting it trade. YM is one of those that's just slow and boring. Slow and boring. Yeah, that consolidation is real. Definitely. Very real. For real. But this is nice curvature.
Nice curvature. What does that mean?
Curvature. You said some curve shit earlier, bro, about the chart.
This sounds great.
Sounds sus. I know. Pause. Not. But this is a nice chart pattern. Nice curvature on the chart pattern, bro.
That's
nice
nasty
curvature
work, bro.
on the charts.
That is nasty business. I'm gonna tell you that right now.
Oh, come on, dude. Don't do some.
Does anybody agree? Nice curvature.
Some nice chart curvature. Just don't do any bullshit here, bro.
Menace.
If we can get a pump on the Qs here, I think I can push everything else. RTY looks so good now. I hate this thing with all my soul. Look at this.
You need to retire that shit.
No, I don't. I just need to learn it a little bit better. That's
No, you
always
need to
a
retire that
skill
shit.
issue.
That's what that means.
No,
No, I don't
because
need to
look at
retire it. I just
it.
need to learn it a little bit better. That
It's
sounds
look,
so toxic.
it's literally, this is why I like to go through different charts though, because like, look, this is the best chart today so far. Look at this. This is fucking nice. This thing's ripping, clean, nice bars. Like we just had that initial rejected VWAP. I was too early. That was my problem. But once you got this bullish engulfing bar down here, beautiful, and then it really starts to go. But I'm choosing the boomer YM. But this is also a nice chart. I love this sweep candle down here. Love it. Support, support, support. Sweep it, reclaim, boom. This should retarget the highs and actually retarget all the way up here. It's just going to take fucking time to do it. So you guys might be hanging out with me for a second.
Where? Oh, hold on. Let me see. Do I have any calls? Man, what time? Actually, today's Tuesday. Today's actually my busiest day. I dread Tuesdays.
Mm-hmm. I got quite a few today as well. Is what it is.
Glad that I actually love what I do.
And I love that text the other day when me and you were chatting. You're like, dude, I wake up every day and just fucking love what we do. I'm like, yeah, it's great. It's a good
Makes
life.
everything easier. It makes a busy day enjoyable.
Absolutely.
Because it's like sometimes I don't want to get on the call, and then once I hop on the call and we get into the conversation of trading, everything brightens up.
Exactly. Every time
just flies.
Every time. Exactly. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.
Okay, I got 5 calls today, I think.
Oof. Just give us a little bit more. I'm just gonna fucking sit in this thing, dude. And just let it trade, honestly. I feel like this is one of those scenarios I just can't do. I just love the sweep down here, and I feel like we should retarget this high. I really, really do. I'm just a little confused on this chart over here. Can't do anything but wait.
Yeah, this is just not a good trading day.
Sorry, it's kind of a slow stream today, guys. But again, that just is real trading. It's just what it is. It's just sometimes it's just slow, and there's just not a lot going on. There's just not a lot going on. $834.
Man, I can't wait for that LA. You guys want to come to LA to chill with us with Austin and Tom Hogard?
Yeah, that's gonna be sick, dude. Hearing Tom
That's gonna be
speak too. It'll be fucking
Tickets
dope.
are on sale. Get the early bird special. I'm actually gonna put
throw
this
the
in
link.
here. Let me see if I can find it.
Yeah, throw it in there. What up, Shadow Scalper in the house?
You're late. Fashionably
late, bro.
Fucking late.
It's okay. Better late than never. Better late than never.
He's late. Trying to give him a pass.
Pass. It's nice.
Okay.
Here. Busy printing money, baby.
I can't argue with that.
I love that. Love it. Oh my gosh, it's just so fucking slow and boring. I want YM to start moving like RTY up in this bitch, dude.
Let me see if I can transfer this.
Oh, we're getting ugly candle here on NQ. But YM is still doing its thing. VIX is down like 6%. That's also, I think, maybe an overlooked thing this morning. VIX is just, yeah, see, Lisa, RTY is flying now, though. I know. It just had to tease me. It was way too early. Jesse's locked.
Oh, that's right. You should have been locked.
Shadow,
Yeah,
do you guys know if there's any software that allows to trade Project X account with bots? I don't know.
bots.
Probably means like algos. I mean, because you can trade algos.
Fucking what's that shit Rebecca uses? Traders Post.
Yeah, it's I don't know how it works though, dude. And I don't know if
Yeah,
it's
it's
for
like they
algos
do
or not.
algos and bots and shit across Project X. Trader Post is that's the only one that's really leading right now, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, look into Traders Post.
Traders Post.
Yeah. I'm trying to find this.
This is classic YM, bro. Doing what it's supposed to do, but just being so slow. Dude, I was at the golf tournament yesterday, and I got my forehead just got so sunburnt, and it feels like paper mache right now. It feels
Jesus.
fried.
That sounds horrible.
Yeah, this hurts.
So what is this?
Justin, men's mental health, taking a break from the charts after the fourth. I respect that, man. I respect that. Much respect.
Okay.
Aloe vera, yeah. I know. I need to rep a bunch this morning for sure.
Who's this guy? David. Who's David Capablanca?
Who? What? Where?
David Capablanca.
In the cord?
No. No, no, for the Tom Hogard event with Austin.
Oh, I don't know. Good question.
Early bird special. I think it's like 285 or something. And then plus additional discount.
Question is, do I take one off into here and the other one into here?
ASFX. Boom. There we go. So put that right there in the chat. Everybody see it? So if you want to join us on a one-day mastermind, we're going to be in Los Angeles, California, October 10th. If you buy the ticket now, it's only $285. And then you can use code ASFX, and then you'll get an additional discount. I don't know what that discount is, but it's only $285 with the early bird special, and you get an additional discount. So that sounds pretty good. That's pretty solid. So Tom Hogard going to be there, the author of Best Losers Win. If you have not read that book, I highly advise it. It is a good book to read. And yeah, it's a pretty good book. You read that book, Tanner?
Best Losers Wins?
Yeah. You didn't read it.
Yes, I have. I have. Where is it?
You didn't fucking read that shit.
You know what, Lawrence? Fuck you.
That doesn't mean you fucking read it, bro. I have like 10 books in here I haven't read yet.
No, I read all my books, bro. I rarely like don't fully read a book, but it just sometimes takes me a hot minute to to read it. Why is my camera tripping sack today, dude? He keeps like doing the weird zoom thing.
Yeah.
Look at we're cruising now, though. Going for liquidity. We're going for liquidity. Give us some more. It focuses
in and on off of you.
I know. Keeps doing that.
Is that the one that you got from the Temu shop?
The what?
The Temu shop?
The Temu camera. Yeah. I got on TikTok. I got clickbaited on TikTok, dude. It listens to everything I say. I'm like, oh yeah, I need that. Why do you think I bought this fucking thing? Because literally we were talking about it, and I was like, "Are you kidding me? There's an ad for this." I was like, "Yeah, I need to buy it." Keep it going.
Capitalism is such a thing.
It is. That it is, my friend.
Such a thing.
Give us a bigger push here, dude. Come on.
We got a nice little ripstick on the 5 minute.
I know we do have a nice rip stick going on in the 5 minute on NQ. Looks good. It's one of those days, dude. Again, like just slow, but on days like this, I just love to be objective as I can. Where I'm like, okay, take a step back throughout all of our nonsense of like, oh, this is this, this is that. It's like, okay, well, objectively speaking, support. Came down and swept it, reclaimed right away. Okay, that's a sweep and a reclaim. Then where do we target? Opposing liquidity up here. So I'm like, that's the model. That's what it is. And then I just use VWAP as a little bit of extra confluence, right? Like, look at all this. I'll just always hold the VWAP. Like, literally, why I'm always closing above it. I don't count this as a breakdown. Like, really recloses right away. Pins down, recloses. This was where the only time it got a little sus and sketchy. But again, it was just waiting to sweep this liquidity, and then boom. So now I just got to wait. Just got to wait, my friend. Gotta wait.
What time is this? 10:45? Man, this is such a day. Oh my God.
What a day is, right? Yeah, slow day. The thing is with action like this, though, when it's really slow and grindy, this is like these are like trend day models. Like those like all day trend day type shit where like literally it's just so slow and grindy. But like these are like I've noticed definitely one thing with screen time. If you study trend days that actually trend all day, they're never really aggressive candles. They're slow and grindy all day. So
and they just keep going up.
Yeah, exactly. Nikki Pips. What up, Tanner Lawrence? What's good, Nikki? What's going on?
Nick? What's good, Nikki?
Outsider trading. I'm on the calls waitlist for one-on-one mentoring. Definitely got some psychology issues going on. Believe in my strategy. Drawdown brings the fear for sure. I might have a spot opening soon. I think I just got someone's contract ended. So definitely everyone that applies for one-on-one coaching, we look at them. It's just a matter of like me and Lawrence are a two-man team. So we like only got so many calls we can take. So demand's high and we gotta just go through who we're loyal to the current ones, right? And so, but definitely like if you fill out an application and it looks good and you stand out, like you'll be at the forefront of it.
Stuff we only have limited time, bro. We have like so much other shit that we have to do. Plus this is like
I know
it's really
hard part, yeah, for sure. Come on, let's get some more movement faster to the upside. Damn, I have I have like some Twitter notifications on for like live. You ever use Live Squawk?
Live Squawk? No,
Yeah.
I've never heard that.
Well, it's like a news, like a kind of like a instant news service for Twitter. So I have that on notifications, and it's just ripping it right now. But all the stuff with Powell, it's like unlimited.
What's going on?
A whole bunch of shit. It's just
send it to me because I need that. I don't know. I never know where to check news. I'm like over here Googling and shit.
Yeah, it's called Live Squawk. Nikki, oh yeah. Sorry, I couldn't link him in Vegas. Ended up going to San Diego to celebrate our 10-year wedding anniversary. All good, bro. It's 10 years. Congratulations. That's amazing. That's awesome. That's a good San Diego. Wow, we literally swapped. It's funny. I'm not an SD, but close enough. But that was a fun time, man. It was just a long weekend. Long weekend. Still need more sleep. It's funny. You literally could see my.
I need 4 days of sleep before I can get back to normal.
I do. I literally do, bro.
I'm the same way.
Yeah, it takes me some time. Can we just get a TP hit, please? Instead of this nonsense.
This isn't the environment for that.
I know. It's just fucking ridiculous, dude.
They're like, fuck you guys.
It's just literally doing nothing. Oh, this is sick, Nikki. We went skydiving over the Pacific Ocean. That's so dope. Do you do Skydive San Diego? I did that once. I did Skydive San Diego. There's another one out there, I think.
I'm too bitch made to go skydiving.
Dude, you were in the military. You should have been jumping out of planes, bro.
And I was a parachute wrecker too at that to make it even worse.
Amazing trade, Tanner. Thanks. It's going so far. Just being patient. Hopefully it hits. If it doesn't, it comes down all the way and stops me out for whatever reason. I'm just gonna quit trading forever and I'm done.
He said quit trading forever.
Just kidding.
I wonder what will have to happen for you to quit trading.
I'd have to be dead, dude. This is my life. Are you kidding me? No.
If somebody offered you like $1 billion with a
no
B.
trail.
So somebody offer you $1 billion? No.
Oh, to quit trading? $1 billion? Like you have to quit?
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of money. I don't know, maybe.
It is a lot of money.
Maybe. I don't like this this turnaround right here for price, but I'm in it to win. I'm in it to win it today, gang. I'm just gonna sit through this. No, I'm not trailing. This is an action to trail. This is like I'll let this grind out.
Mm-hmm.
Taking profit soon, market slowing down. I have my limit order up. See up top there. I'm waiting for it, dude. I mean, I don't care how slow the market is. I'm just waiting for my target to hit. The market's been slow the whole morning. There's nothing to do but just wait. Honestly. We'll probably have to end the stream before it hits PT, unfortunately.
For sure. For sure. It's already 11 o'clock.
It's just a slow day. But nothing else you could really do on a day like this. You just gotta wait.
Mm-hmm.
Let the action.
That's all you can do, bro.
I feel like this eventually will grind up. Putting a little.
That's all you can do, bro.
Hopefully a little 2-minute bear flag or a bull flag here, right? Pull out some magic lines, and you're like, dude, look at this, man.
It has to go, bro.
It has to go. Look at this, man. It's a pennant breakout. It's a pennant breakout
to the upside.
Patrick Whelan only trades flags, and I mean the guy works well for him. So I'm not talking shit on it, but patterns be patterning. How do I fucking get rid of this shit? Wow, what a slow morning. Slow morning.
It's pretty bad.
Are you going to trade Lawrence sitting out? He's locked out already for the day.
I got cooked, Mario.
Got cooketed.
I got cooked early, brother.
Cooketed.
I got cooked real early. I don't regret it though. I really don't. Like I did what I thought was right.
Better habit, dude. Yeah.
I could have sat it out considering the price action, like we knew, but
yeah.
I managed my risk very well. It was only $100 per trade. I only took 2 trades. Oh, no, 3. Sorry. It was only like $130 per trade. It took like 2 trades.
Versus I was all aggressive and just DJed and I was like, oh, I'm going heavy here off the open. No, I wasn't off the open. I liked the initial setup in RTY, but then I'm glad I adjusted risk and got out. And then YM just had to wait for the sweep. The sweep always wins, bro. Learn to look for the sweeps. Telling you guys. Sometimes they are a little tricky and tough, but most of the time, I mean, like right here, right? Sweep, reclaim, target liquidity, boom, out.
Mm-hmm.
This is the really big sweep though of all of this. So I feel like this might go all the way up here. That's why I'm sitting through this and sitting tight. I'm not taking any off here because I feel like once this is gonna rip here and just go into 350s,
Mm-hmm.
and then maybe get some sea legs and just fucking send it. Because now it's looking nice. It's a nice 5 minute.
I think he'll hit TP10. I think he'll take liquidity at the top. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's just a patience game.
It is. It's just a patience game. It is.
Yeah, just sitting here waiting.
That it is.
That's
That
it.
it is. Keep it going.
And, nice little pop.
Keep it going.
Yeah. I think I'm about to hop off here, bro.
All right, for sure. I'll hang out for another like 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, there's not much for me. Not much for me here. All right, everybody. Have a great day. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.
Some dubs. More dubs tomorrow.
More dubs.
Now you guys are fucking stuck with me. You're stuck. You're all stuck with me. Wish my camera wasn't doing this weird wonky thing right now. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. Wow, this is starting to look good. I'd like for it to hit a TP with you guys on stream. That'd be cool. We'll see. I'll give it like another 10 minutes or so. Once 11 a.m. hits, we usually get one more little jolt to action, so it should be a little bit more decent here. We'll see. But so far, so good. It's one of those days, just takes time. It takes time, patience, just waiting. It's a waiting game sometimes. That's literally how it be. And that's trading. It's trading. Ripping. We are going. Most of you from YouTube, I love it. Cruising still. I took a base hit on gold. Nikki, you're all about gold, man. You love trading gold. That's your thing, huh? Tanner, your discipline is inspiring. Appreciate it. Sometimes it's not that good. So it ebbs and flows. I mean, the discipline is to sit through this. Yeah. I mean, it's just trusting my trade. That's all this really comes down to right now is I'm just trusting the trade. So, and yeah, it maybe potentially could turn around and take me out. Like I don't know exactly what's going to happen, but based on how the action is so far, I just don't want to overthink this. So if you can see up the top, I'm already down 700 like basically on the day. So my discipline wasn't good at the very beginning of the stream. And I was like, all right, let's slow down, be more objective, ask myself what's going on here, and then like go from there. So that's something I have to do a lot. And that's why I like to use VWAP and be really objective with it and just be like, okay, Tanner, like what is happening with price? Like no matter like, in the moment, like of course your brain is thinking about what's happening with price, but I'm like objectively speaking, like again, like what is an objective piece of data, right? Objectively speaking, we are closing above all the VWAP the entire time, which tells me this is generally bullish. So we have one fake breakdown and then a reclaim. So I'm okay. And I need to target liquidity up here. Like that's what I need to do. So just got to sit through it. Yeah, this doesn't look good here on the pullback now, but I'm just going to wait. That's all I'm going to do. And just wait and be patient. Wait and be patient. Let's see if 11 a.m. here gives us some movement, something to do. Hey, I still want to be like you when I grow up. Much love. Appreciate it. I'm just a human. Oh, okay. We got some movement here. We got some movement here. Ladies and gentlemen. What's going to happen is the question. Does this hold? VIX curling up a little bit. Again, this is like why I'm just going to stay in the driver's seat and not overthink this. I could bring my stop to like here. I think I'm going to do that. Just up a little bit. I could probably bring it to break even, but do I want to do that? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. 70. I'm going to bring it right below here. 265. Let's see. Let us see. Hopefully that was just the impulse down, and now we get the real move up and actually get some sick movement here. We are cruising. Come on, give us more. Let's go. $79, 50 points away, roughly 50, 60 points. There we go. A little bit more. Keep it going. Keep it going. Don't tease us. Don't tease us. Looking at the NQ charts, all looking bullish. Yeah, looking good. Whenever we have those impulse candles like that, I think that's a big problem. Is a lot of people are like, "Oh, here we go. It's going to start the move," and it's like sometimes, but let the candle close and then go from there, right? Especially just with VIX down 6%, and we've been bullish, and all these objective pieces of information I've been using this whole time. I'm like, I'm just not going to sweat a candle like that. And yeah, NQ does look good. Let's pull up NQ. Impulse down, reclaim up. I think this is just going to keep going. I really do. I really do. I'm just waiting. Just waiting. Just waiting. Can we get a W on the stream? Is the question. Let's go. Push. There we go. A little impulse move across the board. Do we get it? We are 40 points away. Sweep liquidity here at 300. Come on. Is this 305s? Another push here. Push it. Push it. 98s. All right, 302. Let's go. We're getting some movement here, ladies and gents. Do we get the cover? Do we get the cover is the question. NQ is cruising. It is cruising, my friends. Did we just sweep this? It didn't sweep it. It's trying. It's just when you have to hit the EP, you have a banger gym day. Yep. Usually. Feels good, usually. It definitely usually feels good. I don't know. I'm still recovering from Vegas, dude. I'm definitely going to train today. It's going to be one of those sessions where I'm like, fuck this. I don't want to be here. I'm tired. But that's just how it be. You just got to force yourself to do it sometimes. Just got to force yourself to do it sometimes. Keep it going. Keep it going. Give me 30 more points. Interesting. Come on, a little bit more. Just a wee bit more. Boring. Boring, 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 boring. I'm just waiting. I'm just chilling and waiting. RTY is still looking good. See, Lawrence always gives me shit about it. I'm like, look at this. Look at this. This is the chart of the day. Look at this. Look at this, guys. It was so nice. I was just too early. So nice, just too early. Like literally so nice, just too early. Frustrating, to say the least. Can this go, please? Right into my TP. Let's get it. Let's fucking get it. Like I said, slow and steady. Slow and steady. Just give us something. Just give us a move. I don't know, guys. It's just a slow one. Just a slow one. Where else are we? Just swept the highs on SPY. This is just going to take forever. I'm probably just going to call it here on the stream. I'm still going to sit in this and let it trade, but I just don't feel like there's a point in just sitting here and just waiting. So I will update you guys on the gram with it, but I'm going to call it here. I'm going to end it here. I think it's a smart thing. So thank you guys for joining in. Slow day is what it is. That's trading sometimes. Oh, do we get it here? Wait. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. No, I'm over it. Okay. I'm going to end the stream. Good shit, guys. Thanks for joining in. I appreciate all of you. We'll be back tomorrow. We will be back tomorrow. Much love.